Hello friends, in this video I will tell you some features of Fanttik T1 Max soldering iron. If we open this box, we find a soldering iron stand in which we will keep the soldering iron, and there are some pieces to clean the soldering tips. It contains a tweezer and a charging cable. In this box we find a soldering iron whose function is to pull the soldering, and it also has a soldering iron to repair all kinds of electronics. You can also adjust its temperature as you wish. It contains different types of tips. The purpose of these tips is to use these tips according to your electronic circuit so that you don't damage your print. It has a movable stand that makes it easy to hold the soldering iron at any angle you work. Its tips is very easy to change, which even a beginner can easily change. With the powerful built-in 2600 mAh battery in wireless mode, the maximum DC output is 11 W for up to 60 minutes at 840 degrees Fahrenheit 450 degrees Celsius. Its small size is not bound by space, and maintenance work can be carried out anywhere. In wired mode, the maximum AC output is 16 W. It can be powered by a charger or mobile power supply with a Type-C port. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.